Garmin GPSMAP 8616xsv 16-inch chart plotter with Sonar and Garmin Navionics Plus mapping. What an amazing machine this is. Full 16-inch HD touchscreen display, built-in dual-channel 1kW traditional chirp sonar with clear view side scan, compatible with live scope, loaded with Garmin Navionics charts. It's got an auto guidance plus technology, connects through Wi-Fi or NMEA 2000 network. SmartMode, one-touch access to information and controls, and on-help third-party device connectivity. This display MDF does everything